Why do people struggle even when God gives guidance?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story gets interesting, because the book of Psalms shows people talking honestly to God during fear, sadness, joy, and confusion. Let's slow down and look carefully. Many Psalms were written during painful or stressful moments. This might surprise you. The human brain often struggles most when emotions feel stronger than logic. Most people miss this part. God never told people to hide their emotions from Him. Here is the deeper layer. Psalms teaches the brain to move emotions toward trust instead of getting trapped inside fear.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Psalms shows real people bringing honest emotions to God. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Worship was helping people process fear and stress. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. Many Psalms begin with struggle before ending with hope. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Emotional honesty slowly creates deeper trust over time. 5. This connects directly to real life. Many people today still battle anxiety, sadness, loneliness, and pressure. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Repeated trust slowly teaches the brain to stay steady during emotional storms.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions. Even daily gratitude slowly changes emotional patterns. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic. Repeated worship trains the brain to focus differently during stress. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them. Fear pathways strengthen when negative thinking repeats constantly. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently. Calm reflection helps regulate emotional reactions. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing. Thankful thinking slowly creates stronger emotional resilience. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. Small moments of prayer and reflection quietly reshape the brain.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. Stress often makes people react emotionally before thinking clearly. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic. Frustration can quickly take control during hard situations. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. The brain slowly becomes more anxious and emotionally exhausted. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns. Repeated complaining or repeated gratitude both affect emotional health. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible. Constant noise and distractions make emotional balance harder for many people.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Even short prayers may seem tiny. Second, repetition is what gives them strength. Daily reflection slowly builds emotional stability. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum. The brain learns safer and calmer emotional responses. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Gratitude slowly becomes easier during stressful moments. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character. Just like water slowly shapes strong stone over time.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you, especially when emotions feel overwhelming. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel it without rushing. Honest emotions are not weakness. Step 3. Choose one small action instead of waiting for a big feeling. Even one thankful thought matters. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself. Growth happens slowly through practice. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow. Because growth loves consistency, small emotional habits reshape the brain over time.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. Write down one thing you are thankful for today. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to. Even one quiet minute of reflection matters. 3. Observe your reactions carefully. Notice how your emotions shift during stressful moments. 4. Adjust without quitting. Emotional growth usually happens through repetition. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again. Small daily habits slowly create stronger emotional resilience. Remember, God cares about what is happening inside your heart and mind, not just what people see outside. Small moments of worship, gratitude, and honesty slowly shape stronger thinking and deeper faith. Every small faithful choice is helping your brain, emotions, and character grow stronger over time. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.